guys, we're here to play some The Floor is Lava. Oh shoot, oh shoot. I'm going. But today we're gonna play some The Floor is Lava. Oh, what did you want? I mean, I'm gonna play the Floor is Lava with my friend Moon Akira. I don't know why. Today, me and Akira gonna challenge this. I don't know who can survive the long ones. I mean, no. We have this on face. Going to the first. Going on the side. Yes, sir. Stop stepping on me! No! Stop! Stop, please. Alright. Alright. We're going on Bank of. Are you serious? It's way too hard than I thought, bro. The lasers came. Harder, smarter, better, tender. I don't know if that's loss or cost, but I'm just saying it. Oh no, my friend Akira is dead. Ha ha ha. Oh! Please no more. Oh no, I'm not gonna repeat. Oh no. Yep, I'm recording a little. I know she's not recording, but you know, she said, "Oh, ow, ow." Don't want to wake up first. You are going on the thirst. Huh? Thirsty. I want some water. Why is going anywhere? Stop following when I'm following. Oh no. Sorry. Going. Guys, you know why I can't upload some videos? I just kind of lazy to upload some videos. You know that. I'm just too lazy. I'm not lazy. I'm lazy. I'm too tired. Oh, Sundays. Pil, Bukrat, haha. And the kid. You know, sadness here. I know you guys talking about the joy. You know that? No, you're talking about the cringy role player ever. Look, she just really playing. Alright, so let's tell them guys, just wait. I'm not gonna date, okay? Oh, come on. Shoot. They, of course they ignite. You know that? They actually like that. Afraid not. Take down the first. Oh, forget it. Yeah, you know, there's nothing just going on the base was speechless. They just going over travel, but gave me headache. Hey, over here, come here. Yes, yeah. Oh shoot, why am I froze? Why did you just push me? Please don't you dare say that I'm gonna fall. No. We're not gonna deal with that. We actually won. your sadness. I hate, you know, emotion. I don't know. I just like excited speed. I don't know how to sing it. Yo, get out of here. Get out of here. Hey, I know you're such a bacon. I love bacon. But as I said, she's annoying. Fendi and SCP. SCP? I mean, CNP? CNP? Yeah. More like SCP, like she's a bratty. Oh, what the? Ah! Like, bro, they just teaming. I'm a king server, you know. I'm a king server. Like, bro, this is so annoying. I'm gonna play. If she's not joining, I'm just alone. It's okay. Because, bro, I just realized that TBD really sucks right now. I mean, I like the war, but I don't like TBD brain rots. You know, TBD. I mean, sorry. What is this? What do you mean Demon Slayer? You can like cucumber? You're eating cucumber? Yes, sir. You're eating vegetables. Guys, don't be dirty minded, okay? She's eating vegetables. That's a healthy cucumber. Oh wait, I'm lagged. Where is my hand here? I mean, RIP here. I don't know if I'm blessed. Yeah. Guys, I'm actually playing some online game. You know, Bicycle for Custom. Oh yeah, this is only for now is 8 minutes. It's gonna be done in 9 minutes. 9:30 minutes. Why is just not problem. I mean 9 minutes, okay? 9 minutes. Just wait there. I'm just gonna I would like my dad, but she left me. It's okay guys. I'm not fatherless. They just going from her heart work. Not heart work. Work hurt. Ah! If I die, I'm gonna finish this freaking Abe. Oh wait, please no.